Today our topic is square root by division method. Now we have to find the square root of the number 625. Now the very first step is we will make the pairs starting from the unit side. Now we can see there are three numbers. So from the unit side we will make a pair, that is 25 is one pair and 6 is left alone. Now we have to find a number that is perfectly divisible by 6. Now you can see that 3 times 3 is 9 and 2 times 2 is 4. So the closest number is 4, because if we write 9 here, this operation won't be possible. So what we will do is we will write 2 here and 2 here. Now this means that 2 times 2 is 4. Now subtracting, we get 2 here. Now here what we have done is, as we have multiplied with the same number, we are adding with the same number also. Now this 2 plus 2 is 4 here. Now the step number 2 is that we will bring down this 25 here. We get 225. And now we have to find a number that fit in this box and this box. Now you can see that number 5 is the most fitted one. So we will write 5 here, here and here. Now 45 multiplied by 5 is 225. And this 5 will be added in this 5. We get 0 here and 50. Now the key point here is that this number above is 2 times this number. This means that we have perfectly done all the calculations. Okay, so the square root of 625 is 25. Now I tell you the steps that we have followed. The step number 1 was we have marked the pairs from the unit side. Then we have to find the perfect square, or we write the lower value. Then we multiply above and below with the same number. Then we have subtracted the product. Then we have brought in the next pair, and we found out the number that is fitting here, here and here. And to check this number, when multiplied by 2, should be this number. Now let's do one more question. We have to find the square root of 8281. So we write it in this form, 8281. The first step is we have to make the pairs. Now we will make the pair 81 and 82. Now we have to find a number that is multiplied by itself and we get the number closer to 82. So we know that 9 times 9 is 81. So we will write 9 here and 9 here. This 9 is multiplied, whereas this 9 is added. Now 9 times 9 is 81 and 9 plus 9 is 18. Now here 82 minus 81, we get 1 here. We bring down this 81, whereas we have to find a number here, here and here that should be the same to get this number. So 1 is the number. We multiply 1, whereas we add 1 here. So 181 multiplied by 1, we get 181. So here we will subtract it, we get 0, whereas here we add 1 plus 1 is 2 and 18. 182 is here. Now what is the square root of 8281? It is the number here, 91. So square root of 8281 is equals to 91 by this division method. Now to check that we have done the right calculations, the key point is that this number here is, when multiplied by 2, we get this number. So 91 multiplied by 2, we get 182. Therefore we have done right calculations. Let's do one more question with more values. Now we have to take the square root of 418609. This is a quite bigger number, but we will follow the steps and we will find the solution of it. Now the first step was that we have to make the pairs. Now from the unit side we make one pair is 09, then 86 is one pair and 41 is another. Now we will solve 41 first. Now we can see that 6 is the number, that is when multiplied by 6 we get 36, which is closer to 41. Okay, whereas 7 times 7 is 49, that will be the bigger number. So we will multiply by 6 and we add 6 here. So when 6 is multiplied by 6 we get 36, whereas when we add 6 into 6 we get 12. Now 41 minus 36 we get 5. Now we bring down this pair 86 here. Now here we have to find a number that fit in these boxes, and this should be same. Now 4 is the closest one. So 124 when multiplied by 4 we get 496. And when 124 is multiplied by 5 we get a bigger number. So 4 is the better choice. So 124 multiplied by 4 we get 496. Now here 4 is added also. Now 124 plus 4 is 128, whereas 586 minus 496 is 90. We bring down the 09 here, the next pair. Now we have to find a number that fit in this block, this box and this box. So 7 is the closest one. We write it 1287 multiply by 7 we get 9009, and here we add 7. 7 plus 7 is 14, 9, 2, 1, whereas we get 000 here. So the square root of 418609 is 647, and to check it, when we multiply it by 2, 647 multiplied by 2 we get 1294. Therefore we have done the right calculations to find the square root of 418609. Hope you have understood. Let's solve a quite bigger number. The number is 10, 32, 97, 96, and we have to find the square root of it. Now no need to get worried, just follow the simple steps. First step, make the pair from the unit side. 96 is one pair, 97 is one pair, 32 is one pair and 10 is the one pair. Now first we will find that what should be multiplied that we get a closer number. So 3 is the better choice. So 3 here, 3 here and 3 here. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. We bring this pair down 32. Now we get the number 132 here, whereas over here we have 6. Now what number should be placed that is multiplied and we get the number closer to 132? That is 2. Now we write 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. This means 62 is multiplied by 2. So we get 124. Whereas 62 plus 2 is 64. Now we bring down this pair here. By subtracting 132 from 124 we get 8. We bring down this pair 97. Now what should be the number that is closer to 897? So we write 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. 641 multiplied by 1 is 641 and 641 plus 1 is 642. Now we subtracted 897 minus 641, we get 256. Now we bring this pair down 96, we have the number 25696 and here we have 642. Now what number should be multiplied that we get a number closer or equal to 25696? Our choice is 4. So we write 4 here, 4 here and 4 here. Now 6, 4, 2, 4, when multiplied by 4, we get the number 25696. And here we added 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 here, 4 here and 6 here. And here we get 0, 0, 0 by subtracting it. So the square root of 10, 32, 97, 96 is 3214. And how we check the answer? The key point that I have told you before is we multiply this number, this above number, by 2, and if we get this number down here, so this means that we have done the right calculations to find the square root. So when we multiply 3214 by 2, we get 6428. Therefore, the square root of 10, 32, 97, 96 is 3214 by this long division method. Although it seems to be difficult, but if we follow the steps, this becomes very easy. So for you have to practice it for better learning. Thank you.